Another day, another cruise updates. Thank you for joining as we delve into 4 new major stories in our popular cruise news updates from cruisehive.com. Over in Papenburg in Germany at the Meyer Werft shipyard, Disney Cruise Line just installed a 3-deck high storybook castle aboard the brand new Disney Adventure, and it looks straight out of a fairy tale. This 186-foot tall beauty anchors the Disney Imagination Garden, one of 7 themed zones on the ship. The castle features stained glass panels inspired by Moana, Tangled and Frozen, and it's pure magic. The Disney Adventure set sail from Singapore in March next year, marking Disney's first ever castle at sea and its biggest ship yet. So here's the scoop. The Regal Princess was supposed to sail out of Galveston in Texas on October 29th, headed for sunny Cozumel in Mexico, but unfortunately a cargo ship slammed into Pier 32 the night before, spilling oil everywhere and shutting down the port. Cleanup had to wait for daylight, so the ship stayed stuck overnight. Now, well, Cozumel's off the itinerary and passengers are getting credits and refunds instead. The ship's making a quick legal stop in Progreso in Mexico, but no one's allowed off. That's a total bummer, cruisers, but hey, at least there's compensation. Big update as guests sailing on Carnival Breeze had a surprise when the ship switched from Terminal 28 to Terminal 10 in Galveston because of an oil spill on October 28th. Thankfully, Carnival ran free shuttles from the original parking area at Terminal 28 to the new embarkation point. The Breeze still kept their 4-night Western Caribbean itinerary and returns to Terminal 28 on November the 3rd as planned. Check-in times were pushed back an hour, but everyone still made it on board for smooth sailing. Alright, cruise lovers, get ready for some amazing news. Norwegian Cruise Line just surprised guests booked on the Norwegian Star's September 27th, 2026 sailing from Southampton in the UK with an incredible bonus. The 7-night trip is now a 10-night adventure, 3 days completely free of charge. The change comes from a dry dock reschedule, but instead of cutting time, Norwegian Cruise Line added more fun. The updated itinerary sails through Amsterdam, Zeebrugge, Le Havre, La Rochelle, La Verdun, Bilbao, La Coruna, Vigo, and finishes in Lisbon on October the 7th. Even sweeter, all prepaid packages, dining, drinks, Wi-Fi, service charges are extended for free. Basically, 3 extra days of cruising bliss, 0 extra cost. That's what we call a win-win. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.